Hey, it's Beatle J here with my first state copy of the Beatles yesterday and today. And I've been offered tens of thousands of dollars for this pristine copy, but I'm not about money. I'm about spreading some love. So I'm really considering giving this record away to anybody who subscribes to my channel. Yeah. Yesterday and Today is a studio album by the Beatles, which was released June 20th, 1966. It was recorded at EMI Studios in London. The music on the album was mixed genre: rock, psychedelic, and folk rock. The record clocks in at 27 minutes and 33 seconds and was produced by George Martin. It's best known for its alternative Butcher cover. On March 25, 1966, photographer Robert Whittaker had the Beatles in the studio to shoot the original cover with the boys dressed in white smocks, and they were draped with dismembered dolls and raw meat thrown in for shock value. Capitol Records printed approximately 750,000 copies of Yesterday and Today. However, the public reaction was so negative that the Butcher cover was immediately recalled, and a new tamer trunk cover was pasted over the original cover to cut cost. First State Butcher covers are one of the most collectible in all the Beatles record catalog and can fetch a small fortune. Tracks on the album include Drive My Car, I'm Only Sleeping, Nowhere Man, Dr. Robert, Yesterday, Act Naturally, and Your Bird Can Sing, If I Needed Someone, We Can Work It Out, What Goes On, and Day Tripper. All tracks were written by Lennon McCartney with the exception of Act Naturally. So there it is. This could be yours. Just hit that subscribe button and I'll be drawing from a hat. And thank you for tuning into this fake news network.